Ever since I picked up the Luna Ultra, I've been looking for ND filters. None were in stock. I had to order these and wait about 2 weeks for them. These are from K&F Concepts for Luna Ultra, CPL, ND16, ND64, and ND256. And they come in this nice little case. It also comes with a screen protector for the Luna Ultra, and they look really nice. So we got the CPL right here. We got ND16, ND64, and ND256. Has the hole for the sensor cut out, which is really nice. So it only goes on one way. And it goes on just like that. And I don't get any low light errors. Low light situation. So it didn't throw that off. I was worried that it would start its low light mode when not needed. Let's turn this off. Now they park real nice. Plenty of room to clear the gimbal when it's in the lock mode, which will protect your filter and protect your lens, which is nice. But taking them off, I wish they had a little fingerprint. Wow. Those things are so tapered that grabbing them is going to be a pain. Gonna get your finger all over them. Oh, you got to have a fingernail. You got to have a fingernail going on here. Putting them on is easy. Taking them off is not so easy. You just have to have a fingernail, that's all. Pretty nice. That's ND16. So I thought that I got the black mist, but that must have been the Tellison ones that I had on order. It's going to be hard not to get your fingerprints on them. So let's see the CPL. CPL. Small and big, hole on top. There you go, they look nice. Adjustment there. No codes, no error codes, no lighting codes. They clear the housing. These are ultra slim and very compact, and they have no contact issues with the housing. With the 256 filter on top. And my screen brightness was dim, so that's why I couldn't see with my glasses that automatic darken. So let's see what it looks like again. This bright day. Now I didn't try the zoom. Let's try the zoom. Zoom is not supported. Oh, that's correct, because we're at the 120. So I want to try the 120 walking. And I hear a jet, but I don't see it. There it is, way up there. Leaving Florida. And the garden is doing good. Oh, look at the big crows. Birds are happy in the shade, eating the bugs. He didn't know which way to go. Like I said, this is 120 frames per second. How's all the greenery look? And this is in Dolby Vision picture profile. This is Dolby Vision. What's the canal look like? Okay, now we're in 4K 60. Now let's try the zoom. 2 times zoom, 3 times zoom. Six times zoom. And 12 times zoom. And all the way back to 0 zoom. Let's go do the walk. This is with the 256 K&F Concepts filter on there. Let's spin it around. And I can see I'm totally in the shade there. Should have tried this on the 120 shutter speed. So we're on the Dolby Vision and we've got the 256 filter on there. And I need to come mow the lawn again. And where's the sun? Sun is right behind me. Okay, we got this neutral density filter 16 on here from K&F Concepts. And we're going to go do the walk again. We're at 60 frames per second on manual. So we're going to see how that works out. And I'm particularly interested because this went black. It recorded several frames that were black on my last walk. So we're going to go see it again. I see some bubbles under the water. You know, in Florida they say when you see bubbles it might be an alligator. But there haven't been any alligators for years that we have seen in this waterway. And let's go do the walk under the shade of the trees and then back into the sun. And let's do the turnaround right here at the garden. Look into the dark spots to see how the exposure works and how the neutral density filter works. Now let's do a turnaround and see. And we are on picture profile Dolby Vision. I'm starting to like it. Seems like the skin tones are really well, not oversaturated. And I am on low saturation, medium sharpness, and medium contrast. So let's see how that goes. Looking into the sun right here. Let's put that at my back. Look down. Let's turn it around. And let's look up at the sun. Up at the sun. Something I didn't do on the last two walks. But how's the greenery look in the backlight conditions here? I think the plantain leaves look very pretty. The color is just awesome. And the palms are looking good too. I think I like this color profile the best. So far, it is the best. I don't know what that glitch is, why it lost some frames. So this is the ND64 in bright sunlight. We are right at 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, coming on the 4 o'clock hour, and it's very harsh out here. And there's an iguana. And that is 12 times zoom. And when I go out there, he is going to run. So I'm going to back you out to 6 times zoom. And there is 6 times zoom. And then I'm going to go out there and we'll see if we can catch him running. Where is he? There he is. I have a hard time with this little screen seeing where they're at. That's 10 times zoom. There he goes. So anyway, let's go back to the test. Neutral density filter, ND64, K&F Concepts. And we are in the shade right now. Bright sunlight right now. Picture profile, Dolby Vision. Oh, there's another one. So that one's a little smaller than the other one that we saw. Let's go into 12. There's 12 times zoom. Back to 0. To 3. Let's do the walk. Okay, neutral density, 256. 64. We have some cloud cover, so it's not direct sunlight. Let's look in the shadows over here. I specifically want to see about the detail in the shadows with the picture profile Dolby Vision and also with the 64 neutral density. Turn it around. And how is the skin tones? We got overcast right now. Let's do the walk. And I can see the iguana all the way from here. Got this head. I should have just put it on tracking. Now it's on tracking. Now we're watching him. Now no matter what I do, I wouldn't lose him. I should have put him on tracking. I wonder what the fence will do when we look between the fence here. Still got him. Still got him.